Before we start, just understand this is not a signal service. Everything you see here is for educational purposes only. Trading involves risk, and the goal here is not to follow trades, it's to learn the process behind them.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome to. Yeah, I forgot my glasses this morning. Trying to mess up my eyes, didn't I? And welcome to I'm the Trader Capital live trading floor. First and foremost, all glory to the Most High God. Let's bow our heads for a quick prayer. Our Heavenly Father, we thank you for your grace and your mercy. We thank you for another opportunity to try again to learn and grow in these markets. Father, we ask that your will be done today as it is in heaven. Father, I ask that you give us the heart of a giver and make us a lover of our neighbor. Please let me not lead anyone that listens to me astray, but use me as a vessel to bring your children back onto you. In Jesus' mighty name we pray. Amen. 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 Can the church say amen? Amen. Let's begin. Before we jump into the charts, I just want to say this. There was a time I used to sit down at the charts with no real plan, jumping between strategies, losing, blowing accounts, second guessing every entry, and honestly just hoping that the trade would work. And that's where most traders are today, not because they're not capable, but because they don't have a structured process. The biggest pitfalls that causes traders to fail is that they have no knowledge on money, they don't know how to lose, they don't know how the markets operate, and they don't have a winning model. 90% of traders fail, all 90% are plagued with one or more of these pitfalls. Today, I'm going to show you the 3 pillars that every trader must have in their trading to survive and thrive in the financial markets, so you can join the 10% who succeed and fast track your way to the top 1% of the wealthiest people on this planet. It's called the 10% to 1% club. Let's go. Woo! But before we dive deep into the 3 core pillars, when you step into this arena, on this battlefield, you must first have 2 crucial realizations. Realization number 1, trading is war. This is not a get rich quick scheme. This is the hardest thing that you'll ever do in your life. Realization number 2, all traders are money managers. As a trader, your ability to manage money is vital to your survival in this industry and in life as we know it. Most traders think that success in the markets comes from finding the perfect strategy or catching the biggest moves. But the reality is, trading success is built on 3 core pillars. First is money and mindset. This is the foundation of success. Then is risk management. This is the holy grail of trading. This is what will keep you in the game long after everybody else has quit. And lastly, we have trading edge. This is where all traders start. I know this because this is where I started. That's why in today's session, we're going to hone in on your trading edge. Now, everything that we do here is built around one thing, and that is confidence in your trading edge. And I am the Trader Capital. Our confidence comes from 3 things. First, it comes from understanding how the market actually operates. Not what social media says, but how money truly moves. Second is having one trader model. One model with IPDA signatures that we trust and execute on a consistent basis. Third is having a plan and a process, because without a plan and a process, you're just reacting to price and you're winging it each and every time. And this right here, this session, this is where we focus on the 3rd piece, the process. So many people lose confidence in trading and in life because they simply don't have a plan. There's no process, there's no procedures and protocols that they're abiding by. They literally are just winging it. And they wonder why they can't get consistent. They wonder why there's ups and downs in their equity curves. They literally can't figure it out. The uncertainty of not knowing exactly what you're doing, how you're doing it, why and when you're doing it in the market will cause you to fail in trading. Confidence and certainty are key if you want to be successful in trading, and it's your responsibility as the trader, as the analyst, as the fund manager. It's your responsibility to attain that confidence, not only in your model, but also in your processes. So what I want to do right now real quickly is I want to share with you the process that we teach all our analysts at I'm the Trader Capital, and then we'll see that process live in action. This is the 3-step trading process. Step 1, condition. This is where we determine our bias. Before we even think about entering a trade, we need to know the market program. Are we in a buy program or sell program? This is where the market shows its hand. Then we have step 2, stage. This is what sets up your trade and what does your trade look like. There are two types of trades, retracement setups and continuation setup. Then we have step 3, execution. This is how you're going to enter, manage, and close the trade. At Am the Trader Capital, we have 4 entry criteria before executing. I'm not here to force trades. I'm here to execute my plan step by step in real time. All right, let's get into the live trading flow. Now, as you're watching, don't just look for entries. Pay attention to the process behind the entries, because this is what will get you into the 10% of traders who succeed. And if you want to go further to the 1%, well, that's where we break down all 3 pillars inside of the program. I used to think that winning trades built confidence, but it's not the wins. It's knowing exactly what you're doing, when you're doing it, how you're doing it, and why you're doing it before, during, and after each trade. And that is what we're building here. Let's begin with our daily trading processes. All right, weekly target going to this week is 3%. Mental check-in, feeling generally okay. Excited to see what price action has in store for us today. Excited to continue to grow and get 1% better. I feel like each and every day I'm showing up here. I'm just growing in my understanding in what I'm looking for in price, all right, in my model, my procedures, my protocols, and just excited to continue the journey of growth and just see where it takes me, Just keep showing up and see where it takes me. But yeah, nothing of note really to mention going up here, I'm back, I'm focused, I'm back on target, I'm back on my goals. I'm just ready to get to work, like I took a week away, not that I took it away, but I went away for a week, and I'm just excited to be back in the markets and back to be, working towards my goals, right? I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the battle. News is Wednesday, July 22nd. We're almost done with July already. Golly, shit, where did all the time go? We're more than halfway through the year. Golly. We have high impact news coming out at 10:30. Okay, so we have news today making it an optimal trading day, depending on the open range gap as well, right? Because now we have 2 factors, right? One or the other. I'll trade without news and have a decent size open range gap, but with a small open range gap, yeah, there's nothing I can do with that. So really it's about the gap, and the news is just added bonus at this point. But anyway, we're still collecting data. Risk going into today, we're at 0.25 of account size, and we have a max of 0.75 per account per day. Weekly program going to this week has been established as a buy program. Okay, let's go ahead and review price action overnight to see if anything's happened, okay, to change our weekly program for this week. Let's jump into it. And then we'll proceed, all right, with our 3-step trading process. Different day, same shit in it. This is the different one. I just made a new layout for back testing because I've been doing everything on one layout and it's just kind of messing me up. So instead of having to delete and input key levels again, I just made a whole new layout for back testing, and everything for back testing will be stored on that layout. Anyway, let's proceed. As we proceed to give you what you need, bear with me, please. Why is it going slow, man? Come on. This is what I mean. I don't like this snow unless, it's still moving. I'm not even moving. I've let go of the shit and it's doing the shit on its own. Catching up slowly. How do I get these things to go for? Is it my internet? Is it the computer? I don't know what it is. But I need to figure this shit out. Anyway, I'm here to figure out, oh my goodness. We can't do this, We just can't do it. Where is my 4 hour? Oh. Oh, mate. Please bear with me and my slow ass computer right now. Fucking hell, mate. I don't have time for this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Nope, nothing's really happened in price to change our weekly program, okay? We'll need to come and take Monday's low, which I have no freaking clue where it's at right now. Yeah, it's gonna be this. Yeah. Right here. Monday's low. My bloody days. This is crazy stuff. Yikes, bro. I don't know what is going on today. I don't know what I need to do. But this is madness. You know what? Maybe let me just delete all the drawings, because maybe the drawings are just too much on here. I don't know what it could be, but I'm just going to remove all the drawings and see if it helps. Ah, oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, let's see if that did something. Oh, I'm gonna cry. I'm literally going to cry. Because what is this, mate? What are you doing, mate? Come on, man. Don't do me like this. Don't do it. Ding, 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 ding. 9:30 open, 9:30 open. 9:30 open. Decent size upper range gap. All right, makes an optimal day today. It's above price. Okay, so we gap down. So we have a discount gap down. I'm still trying to get my high time frame ranges in check right now. Let's get 20-day range. I actually don't want to see the quadrant levels on the 20-day anymore, so I'm gonna delete that of this. I want as minimal lines as possible, just what's necessary, because I don't frame anything on there, so I don't really want to see them, to be honest. So we're taking them off. I've agreed. I've come to the terms of agreement to take them off. Oh, I actually also want to reduce the brightness on that equilibrium, but this looks wrong. Hold on. Yeah, it's right. This is also showing 40 days, so I don't really want to see 40 days. Let me just leave it alone. Focusing on 20 day. Let's get previous day. If it lets me. Bloody hell. All right, we've got everything that we need here. Oh, can you get your shit together, please, mate? Fucking hell. What else do you want from me? I deleted all my drawings. Fucking hell, mate. What is this? It's really tipping me off, man. Above dealing range, we got Asia session buy side and we got previous daily high. Below dealing range, it If it'll let me see below dealing range, I could tell you what we got, but yeah, mate, this is craziness. We got Asia session sell side from what day? Monday, and we got previous daily low. How is that even possible? Where's Tuesday's low? Mate. Oh, yeah, that is Tuesday's low. Starts at 6 p.m. right now. It's a candle low, so yeah, because starts at 6. It's not 12 to 12 on here, so yeah, it's fair. Oh, this is gonna piss me off. It's already pissing me off. Oh, mamma mia. Please bear with me as I get it together over here. Still. Mate. No, I'm just gonna reset chart. Because I can't do this. Me can't do it. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, mate. I'm about to lose my shit, dog. If this thing don't get together by 10 o'clock, I'm gonna shut this whole shit down. I just don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know if it is the internet, if it's TradingView, if it's my computer. I just don't know. I don't know what's the cause of it, so I can't really fix it, you know. You know, I don't know, so I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna refresh, and hopefully it gives me it does what it needs to do after I refresh this page. Because I don't know, and I'm getting annoyed, you know. It's pissing me off. Got me talking in this accent and all. I hate it. Come on, baby. Come back to life for me. Mama needs ya. Oh. Excuse me. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Maybe it was just TradingView. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Hold on. All right. Oh, you know what deleted as well? That's crazy. My text. I thought that was thinged. Oh, you know what? I hope didn't delete. Oh, I would be so pissed if it did. Let me find out. They shouldn't have deleted though. I'll find out later. Fuck it. Excuse my French. Sorry, I've been cussing too much. Where's the anchor texting? Trading View, what are you doing to me right now? What is happening? Heading to dealing range buy side here. Yeah. High impact news coming out at 10:30. I'm still trying to figure out how this collab thing on Twitch works. Like, how can I show the person I'm on the Twitch with on my fucking shit? You know what I mean? That's one thing I'm still trying to figure out here. Coming to consequent encroachment of the open range gap. I think it will be on OBS, right? I would need to do that on OBS. Whoever knows how to figure it out, I might have to do some research today and see how I can get that shit fixed, because I'm new to this. I'm still trying to work out the kinks here. Right now we got a slow ass computer. Probably need to delete some shit off my shit. Mate. This is quite jarring, you know. $9.50 Mac kicking off. I'm gonna do some research after this session today, because we have to get it figured out. I might need to add the source on OBS. I think it's OBS I need to figure out. We will get it figured out though. We'll get it figured out. No, we gonna zoom it out. Go back to Zoom, bruv. Cause this shit right here. Waiting to establish step one condition. We don't have that yet, okay? Waiting for one side of dealing range to get taken up here, down here, to establish step one, because without step one, we can't move on to step two. My basic, what every new and aspiring trader should know, training is almost complete. All right, I'm been working on it. Obviously, I was away for a week, but I'm back to working on it. It's almost done. I'm almost close to the end. So, should be ready to be recorded for this weekend, hopefully. But that's the timeline right now, unless something happens. You know how life goes. But it should be ready to go for this weekend. It's an intro. If you want to learn what I'm doing here, you need to see that. It's the intro basics. What every new and aspiring trader must know. Da 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 da. Before getting into the markets, right? It's an intro training session. We can do it live. We can have it recorded. I'm still trying to figure it out. But things are getting done behind the scene. Like I said, I'm back. I'm focused. I'm back on my targets, back on my goals. That's all that matters right now. And we putting the work in. We put in the work in. There's a lot getting done behind the scenes that I'm the trader capital. So just bear with me, man. Just bear with me. Taking it one day at a time. I'm also trying to figure myself out in these markets, as I'm doing all of these simultaneously. I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing here, my processes, my procedures, my model. I'm trying to seek excellence in my trading. I'm looking for precision. So a lot of the things that I used to do, I'm trying to not do them just because of the pursuit of excellence that I'm on right now. So there's going to be a lot of changes happening, and that's what it's all about, right? As I'm collecting the data, I'm letting the data tell me when to adjust, when to refine, and when to change things around and about. All right, we're about to take dealing range buy side and establish a condition as a buy program. We're looking to be a buyer. I said this yesterday and I was still trying to sell. I don't know why, but I'm moving forward. I'm trying to focus on one side of the market. I'm trying to focus on one side of the market. So that's what I'm going to walk forward and see how I do in attempting to do that. Okay. At least trading, getting into risking on the one side of the market and watching the other side, tape reading or even demo trading the other side. Yeah, let's help you out. You need help, boy. All right, taking dealing range buy side. I'm still not getting my alert. That's how slow this thing is. Oh my goodness. Our condition has been established as a buy program. Okay, going into today. You know what? Let me do this. Just so I'm aware of what the hell is going on. You know what I'm saying? We're looking to be a buyer of this market here this morning, okay? We've established a condition as a buy program. Potentially, I want to see price retrace into a discount array and then catch the continuation to the upside. Drawn liquidity right now is Asia session buy side and previous daily high, okay? So until we take dealing range sell side, this is my drawn liquidity up here. So we're going to watch price and see how price gravitate towards our drawn liquidity up here. And see if it'll give us a move to partake in that. But like I said, I'm seeking excellence. I'm not trying to be in each and every trade of the market these days, all right? I want precision, and I want high probability setups only. I see this here though. I see you. I'm watching you. Not really big into 15-second chart only trading right now, but I'm watching this here on the 15 seconds. Like I said, a lot is changing around here. A lot is changing around here. I'm fixing up. Can't be doing these things that I've been doing, you know? If I'm seeking precision and excellence in my trading, I need to hone in. You know, I need to hone in. And if that means missing some of the moves, I'm okay with that. Because I want the moves that want me, right? I want the moves that want me. That's what I want. I'm watching this though. It's a macro, so 15 seconds is fair, but I really would prefer a M1 inefficiency or liquidity and then 15 seconds entry. Paying attention though. I'm watching price. Drawn liquidity is up here. Magic magnet is back in the picture. Says sync, but I'm not seeing it though. I ain't seeing it on here. This is crazy, isn't it? Everything is just being freaking weird. No. Like, why is it not showing? I'm not seeing it. Whatever. Fucking hell. I'm over it. I'm over it today, to be honest. First initial draw is Asia session buy side. Alright, and then we have previous daily high above price. Let me get open range, daily range here. I'm just over it today, to be honest. I'm over my computer. I'm just over it. Oh, now it's showing up here. Now it's showing. Now we're seeing it. Okay, okay. Now it wants to act, right? I'm watching you. I see you. We have open range sell side in a discount. I'll be intrigued to get a continuation from there. If price comes there, it doesn't have to come down there though. It ain't gotta do nothing, you know what I mean? I'm not trying to establish my will here. I'm letting the price show me what it wants to do. And I'm being patient and I'm waiting for my setup. All right, I'm looking to be a buyer. All right, I don't mind watching the retracement setups. All right, and see what they do. But my goal here is to be a buyer of this market. All right, because that's what my condition says to do. I need to just focus on one side of the market. And once I can master one side of the market and then try to add the other side. I've been trying to do too much. That's always been a problem of mine, right? Trying to do too much at one time. Be a master of one and then add as you progress, as you master one thing, add on to it. And that's something that, you know, I've had to go through a lot to learn. I'm finally starting to figure it out. Finally starting to figure it out. 6 years in here and I'm finally starting to figure this shit out. I also need to pay attention to time specifically, especially after the time when I'm looking to trade. Is just like some intervals in between that time where I want to wait to see that setup form within that time frame. So that's something I'm also paying attention to. So like I said, work in progress, but each and every day, that's what I'm striving for. Get 1% better at what I'm looking for in my model, my procedures, and my protocols. Right now, I'm revamping. I'm seeking excellence. I've been saying that each and every time I end my sessions, but like, have I really been seeking excellence? No. I've been trying to get into each and every trade that I see in the charts. No more. No more, mate. No more. Me not do that thing no more. I'm taking my time. And I'm letting the price action come to me. I'm letting it come to me. I'm not going to it no more. I'm not letting it dictate what I do no more. And if that means missing trades, then that's what's going to happen. That's exactly what's going to happen. We're about to get our first Prezi on the 15-minute time frame here. Once this 15-minute candle closes in about less than 9 minutes. I'm still debating. This is the first time I'm actually having it on there. Actually highlighting it, paying attention to it. So I'm trying to collect more data on it. I have it on the chart, so I need to start using it to my benefit, right? In terms of letting me know if I'm on side in my trades or potentially framing setups on them. Okay, because it's liquidity and inefficiencies. Right now, drawn liquidity is Asia session buy side, and depending on how price goes there, we have previous daily high also above price. So current draws right now on liquidity. Nothing for me to do here. I'm waiting for price to drop into a potential discount to then catch the continuation to the buy side. So that's what we're waiting for. Okay, we're about to take sell side here. If we get a market structure shift back above here, I'd be interested in a continuation. Remember, price doesn't always have to retrace down into discount, all right, to give us an opportunity. Sometimes it might go up from a premium. I just need to be aware of that. And I would require a body closure just because I'll be buying in a premium of the range. Exercising patience and seeking precision and excellence in my trading. And that's what I'm working on right now. I'm hyped. I'm pumped. I'm ready. Okay? I'm not in a rush. I'm not trying to be in each and every trade. I'm looking for the trades that are mine. All right? I'm only trying to engage in one side of the market right now. All right? Once I can master one side of the market, then I can kind of look at the other side as well. But for now, we're going to watch the other side, and we're only looking to engage in one side of the market. And if that means missing plenty of trades, that's what we're going to do. We're going to miss plenty of trades, and I'm okay with that. I am A-okay with that, all right? We'll have to learn to be okay with that for now anyway. You know, once you get hurt so many times doing the same fuckery over and over and over again, something has to change, you know. That's the definition of insanity. Doing the same thing over and over and over again and expecting a different results, a different outcome. I'm not insane. We're not insane here. The patients aren't running the asylum here. You feel me? I'll be watching this, but because we haven't taken open range either side yet, I'll be wary. I'll be wary of that. Let me set an alert, even though I hope it works, because my alert on my dealing range didn't work. Exit in channel. Is that what I wonder when it enters? No, I wanted to exit when it exits the channel. Yep. I can add a condition. Oh. Okay, no. I don't want to do that. I don't want to try something new right now. The only thing I'm worried about with this setup, if it confirms, would be that we haven't taken either side of opening range yet. So that would be my only worry here on this setup. But it's in the direction of my condition, so I would be interested. Like I said, I just want to be trading one side of the market for now. If it gives it to me, I would be interested. It is a buy model. Like I said, my only worry is dealing range buy side not being taken. I would have loved for that to be taken and then this setup forms. But I accept the risk here. And I'm okay. I do want to see a body closure though. I want to see a body closure. Now, whether it has to be on the 15 seconds or the 1 minute, that is still something I'm collecting data on, okay? So, yeah. I need to start paying attention to that as well. Even though it completes outside of the macro, all right, it starts inside of the macro, all right? That's the only reason why I'll be interested. If it doesn't give it, nothing for me to do. We wait. If it doesn't give it, we do nothing. It's a dawn of a new era. Ooh, my stomach. Like I said, I really would prefer price to come down into open range sell side here into a discount of the range to catch the continuation. But if it doesn't want to do that, all right, I don't mind catching it up here if it gives it to me. You and me both, girl. You and me both. Hold on. Let's see. Let me start this bitch up. All right, that's fair. I've lost all interest in this setup here. Let's see if we close below this inefficiency, and then I want to see price, its support price lower into, I like that it left relatively equal highs here, okay? So now I want to see it come, this is the next area that I'll be interested in to catch the continuation. Like I said, until we take dealing range sell side, all right, my condition remains as a buy program, and I'm looking to be a buyer of this market. All the sales, I'm gonna watch it. Okay, I want to see no body closure above consequent encroachment of this inefficiency. Got a closure back above it. I'm watching it. Oh, we've got a first prezi. Oh, hold on. I forgot, you know. It's like I'm waiting for this and then I forgot I'm waiting for it. Now, this could be a discount array here, but time-wise, I don't have it, so I'm gonna wait. I'm going to wait. Nothing wrong with waiting and letting the price come to you. I am watching in here though. If it offers me anything that I'd be interested in collecting data on. Because that still could be a discount array. It doesn't have to come all the way into discount, right? So we watching. Watching. I'm gonna watch this. I'm not gonna engage. I'm seeing if it would even give me a contract here. Yeah, one contract. First, I'm watching this market structure shift. And I'm gonna watch this market structure shift up here. I would still require body closures because we're still in the premium of the range. So on the first one, which is outside of the macro, we've got a 15 seconds body closure. Okay, I'm watching it. I'm watching. I'm starting to notice something with first presenter fair value gap. This is why I have them drawn on the charts. Now, whether I want to be focusing on the old ones, no, because yeah, I wouldn't know what to do with the old ones right now. Okay, let me not highlight them on here. So we'll just keep the fresh ones. I mean, not the fresh ones, the current ones for the day. Yeah.
Let me see. I'm gonna look at my ears, but I'm in a buy right now.
Okay, how's it going?
I think we hit. Let me check.
How many contracts did you get in with?
I got in two, but we ended up at. Let me check where I get in at. 215. I got in with two, and we came all the way up to 70 points. I can't do it tomorrow.
What was your risk?
So what, Alex?
What was your risk?
66 points.
Oh, so it didn't even give. It gave 1-to-1.
It did.
Oh, okay. And you didn't take anything off?
I only put one contract in.
Oh, okay. And you're looking for 1-to-2?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, my stop loss is right below the 15-minute OB. The 15-minute OB. The 15-minute candle that formed at 9:45.
Okay.
So right where that candle is also another breaker on the another breaker on the 1 hour. So I don't know. We're gonna see. Low-key, I'm expecting it to do what it did on Monday and on Tuesday. Where it just took dealing range and then it completely went down before
Going up.
Discount to
Yeah.
go up.
Yeah. I'm being very strict moving forward now. I don't know if you heard my preamble as I was yapping away.
Yeah. On one side, listen,
Yeah.
I like it because when you're trying to be kind of like devil's advocate on both sides.
Yeah.
It's really hard.
Yeah. You get all messed up and you miss the actual trade that you're here for, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I'm just trying to master one side first before I move on to the other side.
I hear that.
Yeah.
I think it just gave me another entry, but we'll see what happens. Give me a sec, Alice.
No worries. Did you do your pickleball today or no?
Yeah, we did go pickleball in the morning. It was good.
Nice.
Get some exercise in.
Yeah, for sure.
You know what it is. It was good though. We got it yesterday we did 15 minutes. Today we did 30 minutes.
Who won?
We didn't play for fun. We played for fun today. We didn't play.
It's never for fun, Di. It's never for fun.
You gotta make it competitive so Savannah gets mad.
She's gonna cry. I don't even want to go with you anymore.
There's sometimes where I feel a little too competitive. And so it's it's not even that serious.
That's what losers say, Di. That's what losers say. What happened?
I start getting cheap shots.
Oh.
It's called a skilled shot in the corner.
But it's called a cheap shot.
But it's called a cheap shot.
Because she can't make it there. Yo, that's funny. Oh, man.
Yeah. Yo, don't talk about my girl, Alex.
Yes.
She said she wants to see you on the court.
Want to see me on the court? Shit, you won't want to see me on the court.
You played pickleball before, Alex?
Nah, I've never played, but I won't go easy.
Yo, have you ever played tennis?
Yeah, I play tennis.
Basically, it's like tennis.
Yeah, I play tennis. I play ping pong. I love ping pong. Ping pong's my shit.
Yes, we talked about ping pong.
Yeah.
It's like ping pong, dog.
yeah. I'm gonna be getting all them cheap shots. And I ain't gonna stop. Yeah.
I'm debating on getting in another entry.
Mm-hmm.
This one isn't on the funded. This is on
Eh,
combine.
the what the trader you got in was on the express.
Nah, the combine.
Oh, okay.
Because remember with the express, I'm
Mm-hmm.
only doing one contract.
Right.
But this is giving multiple entries. Like it's.
I would wait. Just save that bullet for another setup, just in case. You never know.
Yeah. I mean, let's see. What do we got news today? Yeah.
Yeah, 10:30. About to come out in 2 minutes.
Let's see if that. Oh, we got 2 minutes left. Let's see what that brings.
As long as the bodies stay above this inefficiency on the 15-minute, you should be good.
Which inefficiency? Let me see.
The 9:30 candle and the 10 o'clock candle.
The 9:30 candle. Okay. As long as it stays above what?
50.
The midway?
Yeah, the 50%.
I'm trying to see this thing go up.
Yup.
So we gotta play pickleball one day.
Yeah, we do. What you having, a melon?
Antelope.
Oh, they're the same thing, right?
Yeah.
They're in the family tree.
It's good though. I like it.
Yeah, I mean that cantaloupe is not my favorite. It don't be sweet sometimes, you know.
Yeah, that's what I sometimes.
Yeah.
But this one's actually pretty sweet.
Yeah.
I think if I would have waited like one more day,
Mm-hmm.
it would have been really sweet. But
Yeah.
sorry.
Where's your take profit at?
TP is at past previous day high.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's pretty high, no? Or is that
Because, I mean.
is that 1 to 2? Where 1 to 2 is that? Oh, okay, fair.
I was basing it off of a 100-point stop.
Okay.
So it's a 200-point
All right.
TP. But you know what? Now that you're talking about it, we've already moved 300 points for the day, so maybe I should just settle with like 100 points.
Well, that is my draw on liquidity right now, so.
Where it's 100 points or where it's
previous daily high. Well, first Asia session buy side and then previous daily high.
You know what? I might put it at Asia session buy side because that makes the most sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's still like it's still a pretty good trade.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We're still in a good area. It's almost a 1 to 2. Almost a 1 to 2. Now, if this shit starts flying, I'm gonna move it to where it was and then trail stop.
Hey, is this part of your processes, your procedures and protocols?
You're right.
I say I'm gonna push it. I'm gonna push it.
Where I have it at, it's 120 points.
Okay. So are you not doing risk to reward anymore, or pretty much
No,
what?
yeah, but I'm also like kind of basing it off of what the market's giving.
I got you.
Is that him breathing? So do you want to go do your nails today? Don't do it because we're on live. You're recording.
Yeah, you're being recorded. Whatever you do, I'm gonna save the footage. Yep, it's doing
Just
its
keep
thing.
swimming. Just
Yep.
keep swimming.
It's doing its thing.
You see, the flirting days with Naz are over.
Yeah. It ain't getting those no more.
I'm gonna tell it to just keep swimming.
I'll be waiting till 10:50 to see if it gives me anything. If it doesn't, that'll be me for the day.
I just want to say a push up, to be honest with you. And then I could come back down.
Do his thing. I mean, so far, there's no signs of it not going up.
Just give it a good push. A good heavy push. Am I asking for too much?
I don't think you are,
I hope not.
but she might think so.
So it's a girl now, Alex.
Yeah, today's a girl. Depending on how it's behaving.
Depending on how trifling it is.
Yeah.
Oh, brother. How's your legs feeling? Tired?
Mine?
Yeah.
They felt fine after the flight home and stuff. You know, back to regular. But I might go for a run today actually. But they're back to regular. They hurt. I had the fourth official yesterday, and they were kind of hurting while I was standing up. I wasn't even doing anything. Just standing up for a long period of time, I started to feel it a little bit. You know.
Yeah.
But they'll manage. They ain't got no choice.
That part.
Yeah.
We back at entry.
Okay. What was your entry at? Where is that right now?
29215.
Oh, okay. My ideal scenario was that it comes a bit lower into opening range, sell side down here, and then gives me the continuation. But it doesn't have to do that.
Opening range sell side for you.
That 9:30 candle open is what's the low?
Okay.
Yeah, which would be in a discount of the range, but
I do have an order block on the 1 hour right below it.
yeah.
Yeah, like literally right below it. So if it came there to weak and then continue, I wouldn't be too tight. But that's why we're managing risk.
Yep.
So if you drew a fib, that would be like what? What level?
What you mean? The level I'm at? The open range sell side? It is 29089.75.
Okay.
But like I said, if we don't get closure in this 15-minute inefficiency, then it's probably not gonna come even that low, to be honest.
Are you gonna keep pushing?
Yeah.
Honestly, I wanted to just keep pushing. As much as I want you to get in,
Nah, it's fine. Not yet. No, because you're already in. I'd rather it gives you what you need. I'm good sitting on the sidelines.
Open the door. Or in the other.
What we doing? What we doing?
Back and forth. Wednesdays always be chop.
Yeah. Hey, you do hate Wednesdays, don't you?
I do hate Wednesdays. I dislike Wednesdays.
Looking at my data, Wednesdays actually been my worst trading days. I'm not gonna lie.
Same. It's like very chop.
Yeah.
Like very, very choppy. Always. And it's like no real sense of direction. And Thursday usually is like a very clear cut, like whatever it decides, that's it. So
I guess because it's the middle of the week, right? It's like undecisive.
Wednesdays, and you know what's funny? Like a lot of people that do trade, like they say that Wednesday is usually their working day. So I'm just like, alright, so it's not to me.
Right. When I looked at like my profit and loss statement, that was the days I lost the most amount of money.
It was Wednesday. So like part of me wants to take like Wednesdays off going forward, but part of me is also just like I don't have enough data.
Right.
Myself.
Right. To make that decision.
Yeah. Oh, waiting and draw down. Back in.
It's probably waiting till like 10:50 to do something.
Just sitting here. I'm only in one contract, so it is what it is.
We accept the risk. We know the risk before we get in the trade. So
Yes, man.
let it do its worst. So the next phase for you would be to start paying attention to when you get in the trade, into the price action that lets you know, hey, that this is a good trade and I'm on side. Like when you start to notice signatures that like, hey, this is always happens every time I'm in a trade and I take a loss. So if I see that signature, hey, maybe I could potentially close the trade early, or I'll just accept the fact that I'm wrong because I'm seeing the signature.
Yeah, like the patterns. I feel like whenever the patterns that I really look for is usually like on the lower time frame, because on the higher time frame it's all too long. It takes too long to print. You know?
Right.
But like when I see it on the lower time frame, like all right, like right now, right, on the 15-minute, even if this candle closes, this 10:30 candle closes like indecisive.
Yeah.
Like if that next candle comes and it starts to make a significant push below the 10:15 candle on the 15-minute, like I'm probably off, so like wrong.
Right.
You know?
Right.
So like those are sometimes like things that I've already kind of noticed. So we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll see it happen. Just kind of in and out right now. Profit. Yeah, we're getting that push.
See how it closes though. 3 minutes. Yeah. It's probably gonna close below. That inefficiency.
It could be coming back into this order block on the 4-hour. The new one it just created.
Hold on, let me see. Oh, the 2 a.m. candle? Yeah.
It could be coming there, or it could be surpassing it, you know?
Yeah.
So, just letting it ride. Let it do its thing.
Yep. It's out of our hands.
And the good thing is, on this account, I still have one more bullet. On the other account, it's only one bullet per day.
So that's 3 bullets a day then, right?
Technically speaking, correct.
One more minute on that 15-minute candle. Looking like it's going to close below.
Maybe, hey, just got in a little too early.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Oh.
Okay, so we ended up closing it completely below that inefficiency. So that would be a first warning sign here that potentially you're offside. But it's not over till the fat lady sings, you know? It's not over till it's over. It's back at entry.
Back at entry. Patience. Patience is a virtue. Back and forth, back and forth. In and out, in and out.
Did you look at PM session yesterday or no?
I think I did, but I didn't really see anything that I would have engaged in myself. Yeah, there really wasn't much for me to be in. Yeah, nada.
There was just one good sell for me post 2 p.m. That sell that took us down. That was pretty much it.
What we doing, Dad? What we doing?
He said we going to previous day high.
He likes to mess with me. I see.
I 9:50 is about to kick off in a minute. Do you want to see this? Walk on.
Yesterday I actually did a training session for one of the other coaches.
Oh yeah.
He had asked me. Yeah, he was having like parent meetings, like coach conference, whatever. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
But I was working with his boys, and like they have the potential, but they're just like so ditzy.
Right. They're a bit slow.
I'm like, wow, like, and you can see it. Like they try, but like I guess they really don't have like his form of training. He was just like, I'm the crazy guy. Like I'm very strict, very old school, and I get that, you know, like
right.
Don't try to fix something that isn't broken, but it's just like, you know, bringing something different into it.
If it ain't working, you know, fix it.
But his teams, like, they do good, they do it, but like them boys, like they could play. Like if they really
what's
like,
the age group?
Skill, yeah, and like they could play though.
What's the age group?
2016. So U10s, U11.
And how was the training session for you? Did you enjoy it?
I enjoyed it. I really did. They're like, I guess like they really never had like a girl coach before too.
Yeah.
So they were looking at me like sideways.
Like, do you even know what football is, mate?
Yeah. And then once I started like juggling and showing them skills and stuff, that's when they were like paying attention.
Yeah. They're like, oh yeah, she know what she's doing. We can listen to her.
Yeah.
Sometimes that's what you gotta do. Though. You gotta show them motherfuckers, I belong here.
Show them what you can do. That's
yeah.
That's exactly what happened. But it was nice. Like they were very respectful. Like usually, like boys, that's how I don't like training boys because they be like thinking they know it all.
Right.
And I'm just like, buddy, please. See you today.
Yeah. Not today, not this one.
What are we doing, Tony? What are we doing?
10:50 Mac.
Back and forth.
Yeah, I hate those kind of trades, you know.
It's alright. At the end of the day, like you kind of, I like those trades sometimes because it's like, all right, you know, you got into like an area where it's significant because price doesn't kind of know like
what to do around there. Yeah.
So it's better than to be just like taking a trade in like the middle of nothing, you know, like at least where you're entering has like some significance.
I hear that. Midnight open, so it's consolidating around there.
I haven't been in a trade that's like this wishy-washy in so long.
We don't miss those. We don't miss these. I rather know, hey, I'm wrong, take me out, or I'm right, get to my take profit, you know?
I hear
these ones like death by 1,000 cuts. Even if you do when you're like, oh, the shit I had to go through to get to here, you know. Fuck it up.
No patience, you know.
Yeah, yeah, no, it does build patience. Yeah.
Like, damn, do you need me to flirt with you?
That's what it's itching for, isn't it?
Oh man, I don't think Savannah's ever been around me when I be flirting with Nas.
Is she dead this time?
Yeah,
Like, what? The mistress.
the one that pays.
Yeah. Facts. Facts, dog. The one we love deep down inside, you know, but we just can't show it. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Booty dirty Nas, better than 30.
Have you looked at that?
I haven't looked at 30 in forever. I left 30 right where I found her.
Yeah. That slut.
Moved off of her.
Mate.
Why we falling so deep now?
Yeah. That 50-minute candle is not looking too good. For your trade, I would prefer it closes back above the middle point of that inefficiency.
Which?
The 50-minute one. Yeah.
Like if it closes above from that 9:45 candle.
Yeah.
Yeah, if it close, I mean, if it can close like in profit, low key, I'd be fine because that's where like the midway point is.
Right.
And it would also be creating an order block if it did. So these last 4 minutes are gonna be crucial. I may look to cut the trade short though if it doesn't.
That's fair. Let's watch it. Yeah, buddy, let's go.
Oh, run look like a kid on the spectrum.
Yo. Well,
Keep pushing.
now you wanna do that shit?
Patience, you know, pedaling.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Swag that.
Do you?
Sometimes. Yeah.
Well, you be scared, huh?
Nah, it just depends. I don't like the ones that have like the big ass drops.
Right. But that's fun though. You know, your heart just skips a beat a little bit.
I like the twirly one.
So I just want to twirl, just twirl.
Yes. Yeah. The twirly ones be fun. Anything else?
Having your heart skip a beat.
Yes. Yes. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming. 11 a.m.
Hmm.
Right here. Oh,
Oh, I like that closure on the 50-minute for you. That's good.
yes.
That's what we want to see.
Even the 1 hour. Wait, do I need to be quiet? Okay.
What's she doing? Huh? She's recording? Oh, work? She found a job? Okay, turn up. What's she doing? Mm. Mm-hmm.
So, this
Oh, okay. Wait, this the same job she used to do, or the dentist?
Wait, who's talking about?
You talking about Christine, or you talking about Sad? Oh, okay.
Fuck.
I see you. I see you. Don't worry. Let's see if you give us our full thing. Stop would be right here. We have one contract left. So what time did you enter that setup?
10:16.
Okay, that was outside of the macro. So if you had waited for 10:50, that's a better entry there, right? With less, having to sit through what we sat through.
What the?
Just notes, just data.
Never go on with that.
Yeah. Oh, just got some good data today. I liked it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Me? Just using the inefficiency as my discount array to frame an entry. I see something here. It's heading to my final target, so I'm just watching it. Because right now I only frame my setups on liquidity, so it's not something that right now I'd feel confident in engaging because it's not something I've been watching. But the inefficiency, something I've been noticing as I've been looking at price, so I like it. Liquidity and inefficiency, it's all making sense. Sense is being made. And so 15 seconds. That I would have been out of my trade right now. Fair enough. I see you. I see you. 1% better. So money up, 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 up. Let's go. Let's go. Do the damn thing. $10.50 macro. All right, do your thing then. Cool. 24, 1 minute. Wait, there's 2 offices in that room? Oh yeah? I didn't know that. That's on the other side, Christine's side, right? Ah. Ah. Oh, that's dope.
Yeah, that sounds even myself.
Right. And you got the window right there. We love that.
What I want to get is a camera for this computer.
I can't hear you, mate.
What I want to get is a camera for this computer.
Oh, a camera?
Monitor.
Oh, okay. What were you on the laptop right now on the Zoom? Oh, okay.
Chart is on this one.
Yeah. Your take profits to our Asia buy side, right? All right. It's the draw. Let's see how we get there.
Oh, me so happy right now. I'm not even in a trade and I'm happy. You know them ones, you know, you just watch something and just so beautiful. It just does what it's supposed to do. Fucking hell, mate. Let me see if it gives me an opportunity though. Let's see. Previous daily high, Asia high is in line with -3. Close enough. And I was focused on one side only and it gave me that side, so I'm so happy. Yeah. Let's go. And you see this magic magnet? It never fails. It never fails. We're about to have a complete gap fill. Also below midnight open. Ooh, what a beauty. Completely filled in the gap from this morning. The only way is up now. Yep. Fat lady in, sing. We love that. The show is still going on. What, 40 more points? 40 points, yeah. Oh, there was a 5-minute OB as well. He came into. I said there was a 5-minute OB here too that he came into. Just something for you to watch. For your characteristics. 1050. Yep. also did come into that 4 hour one too that you were talking about, to the wick.
Huh?
I said it also came into the 4 hour one that you were talking about, to the wick. Just about barely. But you framed yourself off that 1 hour breaker, yeah? Got you. The 15-minute one here would have given you a better entry. The 1:45 candle, 1:45 a.m. I don't know if you would have seen that as a valid order block, and we traded back above it. Yeah. Yep, it has a fair value gap in front of it, yep. Up, 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 uppity, uppity, up, up, up. Almost there, almost there. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. What a beauty. Is it right at Asia session buy side or a little bit below?
A little bit above.
A little bit above?
30-40.
Got it.
29-40.
Yeah. El Salvador's next week, right? You excited? Go back home? To the motherland? Yeah.
Yes, I think. It's just gonna be nice because like my whole family can be there.
Mm-hmm.
It's not like we're all been in the motherland at the same time. And like we all from the kind of in a big household.
Right.
Work.
Right.
I'll stick around like a good kid.
You got anything planned for you guys to do while you're there, or?
Money land. We're gonna go to Airbnb.
Mm-hmm.
Wholesale.
Mm-hmm.
And we're
You're not staying with your your family? Oh, you're all gonna be in the Airbnb? I'll turn up.
all in Airbnb. Then we're all gonna go back to like where we're from
Mm-hmm.
and hang out. And then Saturday we have the party. Sunday probably hit the beach or like go to the parks or like sunset.
La playa. I know that.
2020.
So this your take profit is based on points, right? It's based on 200 points.
It was right now. It's one. It's based off of a 1 to 2.
Oh, okay. At the 66 stop loss.
Yes.
Okay.
But my TP is only 125. So let's see.
So I'm gonna play with you a little bit.
A lot.
Yeah. After what you sat through, this is nothing. This ain't shit.
What's gonna suck is if it goes all like.
Yeah. Oh man. I'm gonna send an alert here at the 40.
I think the stop loss though.
You up to what, break even or?
To one like there's the low that low yeah right there.
That one?
Yeah.
Or the 11 o'clock candle or the 10:45? Oh, this one. 10:30? Oh, okay.
If it comes out right back there, like fuck it.
Yeah. You're definitely offside if it comes all the way back there.
Yeah, so just reduce stock, reduce loss, and
Yep.
carry it.
Yep. Let it do its thing.
Do your thing, 21.
Mm-hmm. Do your thing higher though, you know? Do it higher, mate. You want to do a trade performance review while we wait? We won't be taking any more trades and it's about to shoot up there. By the time we're done, it probably would have hit it by then. So, what did you do well today then?
What I did well was.
Oh, should we wait till she's done with her meeting? Oh, okay, yeah, let's do it then. Fuck it.
What I did well was meeting with the
For me, it would be, yep, showed up today, got 1% better, stuck to my procedures and protocols, didn't see any setup that I would feel comfortable to put risk behind. So I just watched the market. I waited for one side of the market to present itself to me. I didn't see anything that I would have, like I said, put risk behind. So I just left it alone. So feel no type of way about it. I'm happy with my performance. I got a lot of data out of today, especially in what I'm looking for. And obviously something else that I can frame an entry on as well. So happy with my performance today. Where I fell short today, I woke up at a decent hour, got my morning routine in. Chart wise, we didn't take any trades. We just typically just watch price action really and truly. So I don't think I fell short anywhere today. I'm so happy. Pat myself on the back. What about you? Yeah. It's a good day. How can you improve for next day, next trading session? Yep, yep. And what would you say you would take out of today in terms of when you entered the market? Yeah, yeah. If it's worth it, right? Right, 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 right. Right, right, right. Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Well, we can actually speak. It's about to smash that bitch. What how I can prove for next trading session is just keep showing up. Keep seeking excellence in everything that I do. Don't let short-term adversity, losses, series of losses deter me, distract me from what I got going on. Don't let missing the moves affect how I'm feeling. As long as I'm seeing what I need to see in terms of updating my data and refining. There we go. Bang, 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 bang. Yeah. Take profit, smash, baby, smash, Hulk smash, Hulk smash, Hulk smash. Let's go. Good setup, good setup. Just keep analyzing the data. Only let data allow me to refine. First, drawn liquidity has been hit. Now we're targeting previous daily high, which is next in line. Magic magnet never lies, never lies. Keep taking small steps in the right direction, and eventually we'll get to our destination. And that's all we can keep doing each and every day. Just aim to be 1% better. Other than that, solid morning from us here today in the markets. And yeah, ending on a winner chicken dinner. We'll take it home, and it is what it is. We'll be back tomorrow. It's a new day, new opportunities, new market. So yeah, that'll be it from us. Let's wrap this bitch up. Let's wrap it up. No condom. Wrap it up. You know what it is, what it is, what it isn't. This is for the Zoom. We wrap up on stream a different way. So let me wrap up here and let this bit go. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with this. There was a time that I was money. I didn't really know why. And on losing days, I had no system. That's the difference between getting a real edge. And here's the truth. We focus on entries, but consistency comes from the system behind the entry. So if you've been watching and thinking this makes sense, but I don't have the full system yet, that's exactly why I created the 10% to 1% club. That's where we go deeper into all three pillars, the full model, the risk management system, the money and mindset principles needed to join the 1% club, and the exact process to follow daily. If you're serious about becoming consistent, that is your next step. I used to think more trades, but the real goal type of trader who can perform no matter the outcome. Because once you have that, the results will follow. That's all for today, folks. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in the next AM session, kicking off at 9:15 a.m. Kickoff once again at 9:15 a.m. To be on time,
is to be late, okay? So make sure you show up early. As always, I'm the trader here, signing out. Good luck, good trading, happy, bloody. Remember, when you quit,